Hello family, welcome back to my channel. This is Cook with Regina. I am so excited to be cooking with you today. We are making agbelema or cassava dough fufu or banku with okro or okra soup recipe today. Without wasting much time, let's get started. These are all the ingredients ready for our food process today. Onion, okro or okra, palm oil, habanero pepper, shrimps maggie, powdered pepper, momoni, crabs, wele, beef, smoked mackerel, jute leaves or ademe, and cassava dough. Our ingredients are ready to proceed. We pour water onto the okra and slice into a pot. This is our garlic we forgot to introduce. We wash the onion and slice onto the sliced okra. We pour charcoal into the coal pot and light up the fire. We pour water onto the beef and wash it. Put the beef into the pan. Slice onions onto it and pour water onto it. We wash the crab and add to the beef in the pot. We pour water onto the wele, wash it and add to the beef and crabs. Add the powdered pepper, shrimps, maggie and slice the garlic onto the proteins. Add the Momoni, Habanero Pepper, pour water onto it and cover to boil. We work on the jute leaves and cut through in slices. We pour water onto the smoked mackerel, wash and break it into smaller parts. We check the boiling proteins, stir and add to the mackerel. Stir gently and cover to keep boiling. We check on the proteins, pour the palm oil onto it and cover to boil. We check and take the proteins off the fire. We now put the pot containing the okra and sliced onions on fire. Add a little water and salt and leave it to boil. Put the cassava dough into a pot, pour water onto it and mix together. Add the jute leaves to the boiling okra and stir. sure our okra and jute leaves doesn't keep long on the fire to overcook. We take it off the fire and put the pot containing the proteins on fire and cover to boil. We check and add the boiled okra and jute leaves to the protein. Stir the soup gently. Add salt, leave it a little while to boil. Add the habanero pepper, shake and take it off the fire. We put the mixed corn dough on fire and begin to stir. I know for sure that many of you watching me right now haven't tried this cassava dough recipe before. I can promise you that this food recipe is worth trying. Don't underrate it. Keep stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Will you call this recipe fufu or banku? Drop your thoughts in the comment section telling us why you think it's banku or fufu. We drive till it's well cooked and roll it into balls. We wash the earthenware bowl and serve our recipe into it. You need to enjoy this food recipe as hot as it is to have a feel of its unique taste. We stir the okra or okra soup gently and serve into a bowl. We serve the wele, crabs, beef, mackerel, and finally the okro and pour onto the cassava dough banku or fufu. This is so yummy. Tell us where you are watching us from so we serve your portion and give you a warm shout out in our next video. Try this at home and thank me later. Your family will come back for more. God bless the farmer, the cook, the eater, and you watching us. Thank you for coming. If today happens to be the first time you are watching us, you are warmly welcome. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments for more. God bless you all our subscribers. The love is deep. Keep supporting. Thank you for staying with us till now. We don't take your coming here for granted. We love you so much. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments. And don't forget to click on the notification button to be notified anytime we post a video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. It's Cook with Regina.